Hey, everybody. Welcome back. Thanks for hanging in there. I don't know how long this is going to last, y'all, because it's starting to rain. I feel the drizzling on me already. It's like a light rain. We'll stay here and we'll talk to Jack and the girls and take a video as long as we can. But I might have to cut out and get out of here because it's starting, like I said, it's starting to rain. If you was with us earlier in the chick portion of the video, there was some thunder too, so I'm a little concerned about lightning. Speaking of thunder and lightning, there's some thunder right there. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the video or not. It's about 83 degrees Fahrenheit here in Pelion, South Carolina. This is Jack, handsome Jack, and our blue lace red Wyandotte chickens. Jack and the girls are a little over a year old. They were hatched in May of last year in 2024. Yep, and this is Jack and the girls, y'all. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain harder on me. How you feeling today, Jack? Oh, there's Jill. I was wondering where you were. I didn't see your saddle there, Jill. How's it going? What's Jack got? Uh-oh. Y'all, it's raining harder. Let's see if I can pan over and let y'all see how hard it's raining. I don't know if you can tell. I'm over here on the side of the garden. Can y'all see the rain?